Hi everyone. On this video, we'll be walking through how to utilize NetSuite's help desk feature. So currently I am in a demo environment under the administrator role. So first thing we want to do is make sure the proper feature is enabled for help desk cases. So we'll navigate to Setup, Company, and Enable Features. And under the CRM tab, if you scroll down a bit, you should see a feature titled Help Desk. So we want to make sure this is checked and save the page if we need to. Now, with our help desk cases, they are similar in terms of the rules and territories we set for our regular support cases. So in order to set up our rules and territories, we currently have a couple ones already set up in this demo environment. So if we navigate to Setup, Support, and first let's go to Case Rules. We have two rules here that we will be testing in just a second. So one is that if the help desk, this is a native field that is automatically checked when employees enter a help desk case through their employee center. So we want to make sure we have a rule that says this help desk field should be checked. And I also have an additional rule here just for testing purposes. You don't necessarily need to go off by case type. This is just an example. But for example, let's say that for case types that are selected with problem, we wanted to route to a particular support rep. So I have these two rules here. And if we navigate back to Setup, Support, and Territories, we currently have this territory set up where it applies these two rules. So both of these rules have to apply in order for the help desk case to route to Catherine Glass, which is myself. So again, we will be doing an example of a help desk case that has the case type of problem. So as I mentioned, help desk cases should be entered, is recommended to be entered in the employee center. So all users who will be entering help desk cases should be given access to this employee center role. I'm going to log into my employee center under Abby Kwan. This is a demo environment, so it's switching out these users here. But for demonstration purposes, under the employee center, you will see this little home link section and the help desk feature will be available here. So you can see your current list of help desk cases. And I'm going to hit new case to create a new one. So I'll title this Test Help Desk. And we do not need to, and quite frankly, cannot select anybody else other than ourselves in our employee center for any employee drop-down fields here. So that is the purpose of those case roles and case territories so that the system knows who to route this particular case to, right? The employee, right, will be auto-populated with the current user, so myself, as well as the profiles. So we have different case profiles set up in the system to determine all the notification settings and from reply email addresses, et cetera, et cetera. So this will default from the subsidiary and the user settings. So what's also auto-populated will be the email and the phone number from my employee record. And you can see, again, because we are entering the help desk from the employee center, this will automatically be checked. And this is going to mark in the system that this is, again, an internal help desk case and will not appear in your standard support case reporting. So the status is set automatically to not started. You can change this if needed. And you'll see that the incident date and the incident time auto-populates as well. So a couple other fields here, if this is associated with a specific item, you can select in this field here. Now this case type, this type field here is the one regarding the particular rule that we created for Catherine Glass to be assigned to. So it was problem that would trigger that particular assignment to Catherine. So I'm going to select problem here. And we can also select any case issues that we created in the system and the origin as well, but not mandatory. What is mandatory is that you will need to enter in the message, which is about the particular issue that you are having, right, that you're submitting this help desk for. So let's say that I'm having login issues. I'll actually select that for the case issue here. say having any problems to set password. And then all you need to do is hit submit. And you will get the confirmation, the green ribbon at the top saying that the case was successfully saved, and it will appear under your list of help desk cases. Okay. So now I'm going to log back into the Catherine Glass user, or as Catherine Glass. Now, if I were to, and I'm in administrator role, there will be different navigation pathways, but in order to get to the list of cases, you'll see that I am filtering to just show me the cases that are assigned to myself. And you can see this is the one that I just submitted in the Employee Center is Abby, and it has been automatically assigned to me due to the case rules and territories that we discussed earlier. Right? So that is essentially a very high overview of the use of help desk cases for internal, right, employee submitted cases in NetSuite. Thanks for listening.